Come test drive the 2020 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power lift gate, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.